Welcome back. In the last video, we understood that why Twitter is an important platform of digital marketing. Now this is the time to start with setting up of your Twitter profile. Twitter profile is must for Twitter advertising. So let us see how to sign up for Twitter account from scratch and understand the working of Twitter. For this purpose, go to twitter.com, click on sign up, enter the name of your business. I am entering DMOOC here. Here we have both the options. Either you can use your phone number or you can give your mail ID. I am using my mail ID here. Click next. Confirm your account name and mail ID is correct. And click sign up. You will receive the verification code on your mail ID that you have just given here. Copy the code and paste it here. Press next. Keep the strong password. Press next. You can set the profile pic later on. Just skip it. Describe yourself. We will write the description later on. Just skip it. Connect your address book to find the new people you may know on Twitter. For the time being, select Not Now. Want to find the friends and see who they follow? Just select Not Now. Select the language you speak or your customers speak. I am selecting English, Hindi and Punjabi. Press Next. Select few of the topics in which you are interested or your business is interested. And press next. There are people suggested by Twitter to whom you want to follow. In this case, if you follow someone, you will see his or her tweets and other activities in your Twitter line. If you are interested in someone, you can select him or her. I am not selecting anyone as it is a demo account only. Click next. Next we have welcome message from Twitter. Click on get started. There are few settings related to font size, color and background. If you want to customize the Twitter page little bit, you can select the settings accordingly. Click on change view. You will be on this page. This is the basic structure of Twitter timeline. All tweets shared by you or the people to whom you follow will be visible here. Very first thing that I have to edit here is the profile of your business. Click on profile. Click on edit profile. This is your Twitter handle. Twitter handle is the name of your business or brand. People will easily recognize you by this name. Look at the URL. It has the name of my business. People can simply reach to your Twitter profile by using this URL. If you want to rename it, you can do it, but your Twitter handle should be unique. I am leaving it as it is. Next, bio. Give the brief description of your business. You can add vision and mission of your business here, but within 160 characters. Enter the location. Give the address of your website. Give the date of birth. In case of business profile, you may give the date of incorporation of your business. Rest of the settings let be default. Now change the profile picture. Just put the logo of your business here. Don't use your personal image here. If you want to crop it, you can crop it little bit. Profile picture is added. Next, we have to add the cover picture, sometimes called the header picture. Select any picture, adjust it. See your cover picture is added, save it. See here, we have successfully edited our profile. Your cover picture is here. This is your profile picture. This is my Twitter handle. Location and other details are also there. It shows me that as of now I am not following anyone and no one is following me. Here we have few suggestions to follow the people on Twitter. If we are interested, we can follow these celebrities or personalities on Twitter to have more update from them whenever they share anything. Let me follow few of them. Now see, I am following 3 individuals and no one is following me yet. Actually, you have to promote your Twitter handle across your customers so that they follow you for more updates. Here you can see the trending topics. If you want to know more about this topic, you can just click on this hashtag. Let us post our first tweet. A tweet is just like a post and may consist of text, images, videos, polls, or GIFs. Write anything here within the limit of 280 characters only. If you want to add image to your message, you can add that from here. Same process will be followed to add the videos to the message. You can also add any GIF image. You can start any Twitter poll. You can set the choices and the duration of your poll by using various settings. You may also make use of smileys in your tweet. Let me add one image to the tweet. You can only add one multimedia content to your tweet at a point. Use this plus sign to add one more tweet. Let it be single tweet only. Click on tweet to post your tweet. Tweet has been posted and it will be visible to our follower, if any. You can further see that in my timeline the tweets have started appearing of those people to whom I am following. Let us explore few more options of tweets. If you want to reply any tweet, you can reply from here. Write any message in the reply box. This is retweet. It is similar to the share of post in Facebook. If you want to share the post, you can retweet it. From here, you can like the tweet. Here, we have few more options to share and embed the tweets. Let us look at few more options from this sidebar. First, we have to explore. By using this option, you can have more options on different topics, news, celebrities, entertainment, etc. What is happening in your timeline, you will get a notification to all your activities. You can see all your notifications from here. If you want to privately chat with any of the members, you can do it from the messages. It is useful when customers directly want to interact with you. This option is very useful, that is the list. A list is a group of Twitter accounts. You can create your own list or subscribe to the list created by others. This is the way to quickly access those people to whom you are following. We have few more options. I will talk about these options in Twitter advertisement. So this was the basic of Twitter account setup. I advise you to create the Twitter account for your own purpose, follow few people on Twitter, share few tweets, and explore rest of the options. The more you will be familiar with the various options of Twitter, you will be able to create the Twitter campaigns more effectively. Thank you.